In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable and use Solana staking on KuCoin, so this way you will be generating passive income or passive Solana without doing anything. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So you need to go to earn and then staking. Now scroll down and just search for Solana right here, or Sol, and you should find the staking options available for this coin. So the first thing we will see is the APY or APR, which in this case it's 5%. This is what we will be generating on complete autopilot. Then flexible, which means you can withdraw your coins whenever you want, and the redemption period, which is like a waiting period if you want to unstake your coins. If you agree, just click subscribe and put in the amount of Solana you want to stake, and at the right you should find the estimated daily earnings you will get with that specific amount. If you agree, you just need to click here and then subscribe, and then you will be generating passive Solana without doing anything. Then whenever you want, you can just withdraw that money to your wallet. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.